Today I'm going to discuss about Gamma app. Hi everyone. Gamma app is useful for social media content creations. If you are a digital marketer, definitely you should know this app, which is very useful, save your time. Two things you can able to do. One is where you can able to create using the prompt. Another one is where you can use the existing template in Gamma app itself. So how to log in? So here is the website. So just go there and click on the create new AI and generate and paste in text and input URL. So just paste the URLs or you can generate the content. So just click on the generator. So here you will be having option descriptions. So describe your things, what do you want, create your social media post for digital marketing services. So enter here, then generate outline, the topic. You can click on this and just you need to select visuals and whatever you want it to be. So your content will be ready. So the templates is taken from by default. So it is presenting very well and you can use it of requirements you can create. So I just gave for the digital marketing services. So it is creating that. And if you have any course related or any topics, you want to use it for your business. For example, you want to give some explanations about your product and services, you can able to make use of it. So here is getting ready. So finally, you can download it here. So after that, you need to download. You have the options here on the top. So where you can able to download it. So that options will be here in the presentations. Before that, so if you want to see that preview, where you can able to see it here, and here you have the options to full screen and present view and all those stuff.